Welcome everyone. Today's adventure begins catching the train. We are heading off to the capital. We are going back to London once again. We've got tickets for Disney 100 exhibition and also for the MegaCon convention, all at the ExCeL. So we're heading back off to London. Please join me. We're off the train now at London Victoria and desperate for coffee, so a quick Starbucks and some lunch, and then we're going to head off and catch the Underground.
District line service calling at all stations to Buckminster. Please stand behind the yellow line as the train approaches. Use the full length of the platform and run customers off the train first.
Mind the gap, please.
It's now just a quick walk over to our hotel, but there is the ExCeL. We are in the right place. Seems like only yesterday I was here for MCM, but it was actually a few months ago. But there it is in all its glory. It's really good to be back. And over there is Canary Wharf. We're right outside my hotel. A bit early for check-in, but there we go. That is the capital itself. We've got the ExCeL on the right-hand side. And the Thames. You could just about make out through the haze there the Barkleys building. That is their HQ. I've actually been in there. Quite an impressive building, I have to say. time now to go and check in. This is where we're staying. It's the Holiday Inn Express. The XL is behind me, and the Thames and the airport are to the right-hand side. Amazingly, though, you actually can't hear the planes. I've never been able to hear the planes from inside this hotel, even though it's right next door. But I can't wait to get in and get checked in. Here we go. So let's do a little room tour of my hotel. And I have to say, it's all very clean. It's all very comfortable. Always good when you see coffee as soon as you get in. That is going to be heavily utilised. Got the kettle, got a nice big TV. Got a sofa. I'm pretty sure that doubles up as a sofa bed, which obviously I don't need. Got the table, got the phone, got a big double bed. Not sure exactly what size it is, but definitely big enough for me. Bedside tables, got a place to hang stuff up. Got an iron and an ironing board, not that I'm planning on using that. And then in here, got the bathroom. Again, it's all very, very clean. Got a toilet, got a shower. Zoom out a little bit, there we go. A great big old mirror there as well. So there we go. That is going to be me for 2 nights here in London. Got myself a little coffee on the go. Got to make use of the facilities that are here. So made a coffee. Don't know if I showed this before, but there's a hairdryer there as well, just to show you everything that is available. Obviously you've got like things to hang on the door if you were still here quite late in the morning. As an IHG member, I get this included in the cost, but I get to have a late checkout for free, so I don't actually have to check out until 2 p.m. On the day that I leave in a couple of days' time. Don't know if I really need to stay here until 2, but I do have the option to be able to do it at no extra cost. If I wasn't a member, I think it's £10 per hour after 11, so at least I get that for free. Also, I'm told that there's a new menu to have a look at. I don't think it's this. I think this is the old one, which is in the room. They don't actually do room service. You have to go down and get it, but that's not a problem. I'm hoping, if it is a new menu, that they're still going to do the gourmet hot dog, because I remember that being absolutely delicious. The view outside the window, can't really see because the curtain kind of goes all the way along. So I can get this out of the way. There we go. I am overlooking the car park. Never mind. I'm not exactly here for the view. I'm here to basically sleep, eat, and relax in between some adventures. So there we go. That is the room. Now all I need is some food. Okay, got myself some food. We've got a chicken burger, bottled water, chips, and some churros as well. So let's take a look. Okay, here we go. So chicken burger, which smells absolutely fantastic. Gonna put some mayonnaise in there, that'll be good. Chips look really good as well, they smell great too. And then there's some churros in there, but main course first. This is actually, I have to say, really, really nice. The chips are incredible. I'm just gonna tuck into the burger now and see how that is. The answer is, it's really good. I mean, seriously good. This is better than a KFC burger. Nice brioche bun, loads of filling in there. Lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, and the chicken's really nice. It's really hot, but yeah, this is so nice. So yeah, that was pretty good. Now though, need to check out the churros. Well, that's going to do nicely. So that is chocolate hazelnut sauce and caramel stuffed churros. So yeah, that'll do it. Absolutely stuffed. Very, very full. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.